quadratic equation again. Lecture number 2. Recall that what we have learned last time. We learned what is standard form of quadratic equation. Ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0 is called quadratic equation. Standard quadratic equation where a is not equals to 0. If b equals to 0, then it becomes pure quadratic equation. And we have solved question related to pure quadratic equation and quadratic equation on page number 5, exercise 1.1, question number 1, and have solved last time. Now I start my lecture from question number 3. Question number 3 is related to find factors by completing square method. It is very important topic because sometimes in annual exams one part come from this question. So please circle question number 3, very important, related to your final examination, board exams. One part come from this question, question number 3. Okay, I start my first part. First part is 7x square plus 2x minus 1 equals to 0. To solve this question by completing square method, we have 4 steps. Step number 1, divide equation by the coefficient of x square. Okay, students, tell me what is the coefficient of x square? Yes, 7. So we divide this equation by 7. 7x square plus 2x minus 1 equals to 0 whole divided by 7. After this, 7 divided by 7x square plus 2 by 7x minus 1 by 7x equals to 0 by 7. Here we cancel 7 by 7 and we have left only x square plus x minus 1 by 7 equals to 0. This is your first step. Step number 1. Complete the. Now step number. Okay, I repeat it again. Divide equation by coefficient of x square. What is the coefficient of x square? Obviously 7. We divide whole equation by 7. Here we divide whole equation by 7, 7, 7 and 7. After cancellation, we get 1x square plus 2 by 7x minus 1 by 7 equals to 0. Step number 2. In step number 2, just we shift constant to right hand side. Shift constant term to right hand side. What is the constant term? Yes, 1 by 7. On constant,
It's question number 1, exercise 1.1, question number 3, part number 1. It's exercise 1.1 on page number 5, question number 3, part number 1. Solve the following equation by completing square method. Okay, now to complete.
step number 2, shift constant term to right hand side. What is constant term? Minus 1 by 7. X give 2 by 7x equals to 1 by 7. Exercise number 1.1, question number 3, part number 1. Is it clear to everyone? Step number 2. Okay, now step number 3. Step number 3 is very important because in some questions, like in part number 6, we don't need step number 1 because coefficient of x square is 1. Question number 3, part number 6. Look at your books. X square minus 2x minus 195. Part number 6. Coefficient of x square is 1. So we don't need to step number 1. Step number 1. So step number 3 is very important. What we have to do? For completing scale, we add coefficient of x divided by 2 whole square on both sides. Step number 3 में what we have to do? We add coefficient of x divided by 2 and taking square and add on both sides. Here, what is the coefficient of x? Yes, 2 by 7. Therefore, when we divide 2 by 7 by 2, this 2 multiplied by 7. Why? Because this can be written as like this. And you know, when we multiply divide into multiplication, we just take reciprocal. And we have 2 by 14. We add 2 by 14 whole square on both sides. X square plus 2 by 7x plus 2 by 14 whole square on both sides. Now, on left hand side, we have a complete square. How? From here we take x, from here we take 2 by 14 and sign we use from here and whole square equals to 1 by 7 plus what is the Square root of 2 by 14. Yes, 2 mean 4 and 14 square 196. Is it clear to everyone? This step is clear to everyone? You can listen my voice?
सर आपकी वॉइस क्लियर है पर वो थोड़ा सा नजर नहीं आ रहा जो आप स्टेप कर
कौन सा step?
सही है, सब क्लियर है।
ओके
सर आप थोड़ा सर बड़ा बड़ा करें ना, वो नजर नहीं आ रहा प्रॉपर।
okay. You maybe have is it clear to everyone?
यस
Okay.
जी सर हो गया सही हो गया
माइक बंद करो. Okay, my dear. Now, here we have perfect square, and here we have 1 by 7 plus 4 by 196. What will be the LCM of 7 and 196? By using calculator, we can find out 7 2s are 14, 7 8s are, we have 196 again. LCM of 7 and 196 is again. So when we divide 196 by 7, we have 28. So we multiply 1 by 28, and here we have 4. On left hand side, we have x plus 2 by 14 whole square. On left hand side, we have 2 by 14. After adding, we get 32 by 196. Please check, cross check. Is it clear to everyone? LCM of 7 and 196 is again 90, 196. When we divide 7 by 196, we have 28, and 28 is multiplied by 1 is 28. 196 divided by 196, we have 1. 1 multiplied by 4, 4. By adding 28 plus 4, we have 32. Now, last step, step number 4. Taking square root on both sides. Taking square root on both sides. When we take equals to 32 by 196. When we take square root on both sides, this 2 cancelled by this square root, and we use plus minus sign on right hand side. Because square root is a function whose answer is plus minus. After this, x plus 2 by 14 equals to plus minus 32 by 196, and we can simplify 32 and 196 maybe above and from here. 196 means 14 square root. And we can LCM 16, 8, 4, 2, 1. X plus 2 by 14 equals to plus minus 2 power 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 square root divided by 14. This pair and this pair are come out from square root 2 into 2 square root 2 by 14. We shift this from left to right side. Minus 2 by 14 plus minus 4 times square root 2 by 14. After taking LCM, we have 14 minus 2 plus minus 4 square root 2. And we can take 2 from common from here, minus 1 plus minus 2 square root 2 by 14. We can simplify this by this, and we have left this is your final answer or solution set. Okay, I repeat step number 4 again. Listen carefully. By taking square root on both sides, when we take square root, these 2 and square root 2 cancelled by each, we have left just x plus 2 by 14. On right hand side, we have 32 by 196. We can simplify here by simplify by 2, 16, and it's up to you. You may solve or not, or simplify or not. After this, we can write 196 by square root of 196 is 14. The square root of 196 is 14, and by taking the LCM of 32 here, by taking the square root of 32 or LCM of 32, 2 times 16, 2 times 8, 2 times 4, 2 times 2, and 2 times 1, 2. We can write 32 as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 5 times. Square root mean you can take a pair of number outside from square root. When we this pair from square root outside, you have 2 into 2. स्क्वायर रूट में जब पेयर्स आ जाते हैं तो हम उसे स्क्वायर रूट से बाहर निकाल सकते हैं लाइक दिस. We have 2 into times square root 2 by 14, and 2 into 2 mean 4. We shift plus 2 by 14 2 by 14. Taking LCM, we have